I got him. Oh God, that's a big hill. Hunter, that's the exit. Come here, that's the exit. You gotta go to the entrance, baby. It's on the other side. Oh, careful. Come here. Wait, come here. Oh, wow. Okay, get in this. Okay, I'm gonna go along here. You got it? Come on, Bubby, get in there.
Yeah, that's my boat.
You crawl through it? Good job. You go through there. Now, keep your foot on the ledges. Poor short-legged thing. Come on, bud. Now come on! Woo!